Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cloud and Data with Kaushik. So today in this session we are going to discuss the interactive platform of Docker. That means without installing Docker in your local system or you are going to provision it in the AWS or any other systems, you are not going to install that, but you can still use it. So there are many platforms where you just go and write your Docker command and play with the Docker comments, right? So that I am going to discuss today. So I've listed down all that comments, all that environment name, like Killer Coda. One of them is there, and another is so you can see that play with Docker. You can see code anyway. So one by one, I'm just going to showing you. Just go and search Killer Coda. That is one environment, and you can write your code. So you can see the Killer Coda interactive environments. You just click over there and it will redirect to their its landing page, and that you have created their account and then you can use it. So I just logged out. I already have logged in. I just logged out, and you can see there are multiple options like GitHub, GitLab, Google, and email. You can connect and you can authenticate this platform, right? So I just use Google, and then the authentication is progress. So now one page is there, right? Here, apart from the Docker, you can write other comments like Kubernetes, Ansible, Deep, Linux, HashiCorp, Terraform. So there are many comments, many platform are there. We can execute their code over there. We can see this is that one of the most popular platform where you can create and write your code, right? I'm just and click in the playground, and also playground is connecting now. So where it is written, playgrounds have no task or questions and can be used to work on things from scratch. The CKAD one will always have some K means Kubernetes version. So you can also use the Kubernetes comments in that platform also. And now I just there are many places, right? You can add and you can play with the comments. Now I can create in the Ubuntu, and you can see that playground is provisioning, and now it is ready. Now you can write Docker version. So client version is showing. So I'm not going to write, I'm not going to install anything, right? I just write Docker version. That means Docker is already pre-installed in that platform. You just go and use. Same Docker minus minus version. That means it will only show the client version. And if I write Docker version, so it will provide the client and server that the client server version, right? So both are interactively present in that Ubuntu container, in that platform, right? I'm not going to install anything. And that command are same that already discussed in the previous session, how you can use the commands, which command is required for what purpose, that I have already discussed. The session main intention is that interactive platform where we can write, and is there any other way like installing the Docker and the Windows platform or Linux platform or Mac OS platform? I'm also going to create the interactive platform. and then I'm going to execute that code, right? Same, I just write Docker images. So you can see there are no images currently present, right? So same, you can pull your image, Ubuntu, or any other image name you have to predefined over there, and click, and it first looking in that local version. If it's not present, then it will connect and collect from that Docker hub, right? So Ubuntu is there. If I write Docker images, so you can see the Docker Ubuntu images are showing, right? And if you write Docker PS, so there no running container are present. So in the means comment are same, there is no changes in the comments. I just showing all the possible comments, which is mostly used, and that is the main intention is the interactive platform. So Pillar Coda is one platform where you can write your code, and then I'm just connecting. I'm just pull other image like Alpine image. So Docker pull Alpine, and that is also same way it has been downloading, right? If I will clear and I will write Docker images, so you can see two images are present, Ubuntu and Alpine, but there is no PL or container, right? If I let container ls, so there is no any container present inside that platform. So you can create Docker, you can run it. How you can run minus I minus 30 and your image name. Okay. Docker, any mistakes something. Docker run minus IT minus T and you can see the one ID is written, right? That means container is present. So you'll write Docker PS, or you can add Docker container ls. Okay, same Docker PS. So you can see that container ID and that comment prompt is showing my container is running. And you can also see that which process is running. That is one comment in the Linux, or the comment is PS minus E, and all the process that is running in that environment that is showing, right? You can see that is the all processes are running inside that Ubuntu container. And also you can go in the editor, so you can see what editor is showing. It's just like your playground, or you can see that Visual Studio Code just showing like that. The same thing, we can, the terminal is present. You can also see Docker over there, right? So that is one platform that is most used. Usually, most people are using that Pillar Coda platform where you can write your own Docker comments. So that is one platform. Next is that you can go and play with Docker. Just write play with Docker in your search bar. You can see the first page, play with Docker, the Docker play. That is so. You can click and you just go and start. That's all. And it will redirect it to one lab. Same comments, same thing you can find. Nothing new. Comments are old, the platforms are new. That is the reason I have added this session. So add new instance. There is no new comments I'm going to do this. Docker version. I just showing him the different platform. Docker images, no images, you can go and pull. Images, right? So right now, I just type that Docker. So you can see that only one image is download. I means that is good from the Docker Hub. If it is not present in your local version, then it will go and download. Now Docker, yes, no container, just Docker run minus IT minus T and Ubuntu. You just write the name. It will return that ID. That means container. You can see the container is running. You can just you can go inside the container and Docker EXEC minus IT and the container ID is the container ID. Yes, but EXEC means execute minus IT means interactive and TTY means terminal mode. And just go and is right 499 if 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 forget to add the clean dash. Now we are inside the Docker container. Ubuntu container, right? So same thing, but platform is new. That is lab Docker playground with Docker. Other platform is that you can go and write Google Cloud Shell. Google Cloud Shell. And just first search, you can get that Google platform. Click over there. So in the Google Cloud Shell, you can also perform your Docker comments. You can also write the Docker comments and you can play with the Docker comments over there. So click go to console and you can see it will redirect to me Google Cloud platform and the landing page of Google Cloud is showing. And then this is the activate cloud shell, right? This is the activate cloud shell. And you can see the provisioning your cloud shell machine, that is provisioning. And now you can see the connecting to your cloud shell instance that will come. It will take some time because it will provision and then it will connect and then it will be ready for you. So you can use it, but you can see it is already there, and you can also play with your Docker comments, Docker version, same comments, Docker pull, Docker images. There is no images, Docker pull, Alpine. Here I'm going to pull Alpine image. Then is done. Docker images and like Docker images. So this is one platform that Activate Cloud Shell also be already Docker is present over there. I'm not going to install Docker, right? So this is the different interactive platforms where you can play with your Docker commands. Another platform is in that from the AWS, like AWS Cloud 9. You just go over there and you can see that AWS Cloud 9 platform. Yeah, you can see AWS Cloud 9. I just close that browser and just a minute, it will take some time. I think my machine is not responding properly. The reason. Okay, and now you can see the environment, the AWS Cloud 9. You can search here also Cloud 9. Cloud 9. So this is the service, the ID, where you can write, run, and be logging in. So that is already present in my AWS dashboard. Just open it, just click over there, and you can see that is provisioning everything as you left it. It's provisioning, right? So everything is ready. I want to write Docker version. And also write Docker version. Same comments I have added. So this is the one platform where you also can write your Docker comments. And this all are I have found that is mostly used in the Docker container world. Another ID is there, but this is integrated in the Google Web Store, like code. And if you write search, so you can see that code is a cloud ID. You can click the code in and uh, you can add, you can launch your app, which is already there. So that is the reason it's showing launch app. If you're not added earlier, it will show showing that add to Google Chrome. So these all that interactive platforms where you can write your Docker comments, you can play with the Docker comments, and I already have listed a Docker interactive platform, and I will add the link and description, all that details in the video description box. And if you like this video, like this, please subscribe my channel, and I hope we all will discuss all the things, all the topics are covered regarding the Docker interactive platforms. So thank you everyone for joining the session. If again I am saying that if you like, please do subscribe my channel. please subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for attending the session. Bye.